Hi Soumya. So, how I know Soumya? She's my little Sumi. I know her since childhood now. She was a little girl when I used to meet her in my MBBS, and I hope you remember your Anu Didi. Yes. Your kids have taken a very good effort to gather all of us to make this video on your birthday. And I really wish you a very happy birthday and a prosperous life ahead. Hope you and your family live happily together and your kids are really good. Thank you. Bye bye.
Hi. Firstly, I would want to wish Sumodi many happy returns of the day. I know Sumodi since I was a fresher, so I think it backdates to 2007 or 8 when Sumodi, as in Soumya, had joined TCS, and I was just trying to understand, or I had just stepped into the world of SAP in TCS. She was my mentor, or she has still been my mentor, my guide, and I think because of the bonding that we have, she's like she's my elder sister in every sense, and I think she's the only one whom I really call Didu, not even Didi. So, and whenever I'm low, wherever, in whichever part of the country I am, I always call her and talk to her. There are many occasions in which I've felt that I needed someone to talk to and get a guidance or opinion. So I've always been reaching to her, and she's always been there to listen to me, motivate me, and she inspires me in each and every way she can. And the type of person Soumya is that she's very grounded, but you cannot poke her. Once you've poked her, I think you have to be careful in that case. She's always the one who stands for what is just and right. She'll never do something to hurt anybody, and she always tries to be happy and always also wants to make other people happy. I've never seen somebody so giving and caring in her life, and I salute her for whatever she is in her life currently. And I think the completeness, or you can say the woman of substance that we call in today's world, is something which I would attribute to my Didu. And this year on your birthday, I wish you loads of good wishes and hugs and kisses from my side and Nishant as well. Happy birthday, Sumudi.
हाय सौम्या सौम्या से पहली बार मैं कॉलेज की फर्स्ट ईयर में मिली एंड शी इज़ माई बेस्टी सिंस देन इट्स ऑलमोस्ट 20 ईयर आई एम सो लकी टू हैव सच ए स्वीट फ्रेंड इन माई लाइफ एंड गेस व्हाट टुडे इज़ योर बर्थडे हैप्पी बर्थडे सौम्या हैव द बेस्ट वन डियर
Hi Sumi, wish you a very happy birthday. Beta, God bless you. Your daughters really managed to find my number and asked me to make a video about you. I know you loved Nishta and you really had a special bond with her. Through Nishta, we got to know you, and I realized that you were a very kind-hearted sister of Nishta and a very straightforward person. God bless you. Have a great day. I love you, and I have lot of great memories about you. Thank you.
Hi, this video is for Soumya and my name is Aarti. And Soumya जिनसे मेरी पहली मुलाकात हुई थी कुछ ऐसे, मैं TCS में इंटर्न कर रही थी और वो मेरी लीड थी. The first day she came and she said she saw me. I was unsure right from college, and she saw me. She made me feel comfortable and she said, "Hi, I'm your project lead, and you'll get to know about the project gradually. And your seat is there, and here sits the project manager, and he also happens to be my husband." The ease with which she said this, I was like totally floored, and thereafter began a series of a very warm camaraderie which I still share with her. इतने साल हो गए, and in 10 years में I have never met any professional contact जिनके साथ मैं इतना close हूँ. और सौम्या के साथ मैं हमेशा से बहुत क्लोज हूँ. वो दीदी ही है मेरी, और जीजा, अब तो दीदी, जीजा जी एंड अक्षता, प्राकृति, everyone is like family. In those 10 years I have reached her many a times. मैंने बहुत बार उनका सर खाया है, बहुत बार मैंने उन्हें कॉल किया है, और कभी कभी I feel that I can reach effort जो कि उन्होंने मुझे होन करने में, मुझे ग्रूम करने में लगाया. Nobody takes that kind of an effort these days. I was just an intern, and she really worked hard on me, and that is why when I saw that kind of a effort and love, then I was bound to reciprocate, and from then started our very warm friendship. Today I am really fortunate कि मुझे अपने प्रोफेशनल कॉन्टैक्ट्स में, वो भी वेरी फर्स्ट प्रोफेशनल एंडेवर में, सबसे कीमती चीज़ मुझे मिली है वो दीदी, जीजा जी. And I'm really fortunate that so soon in life I could find such great people. I wish you a very happy birthday, Soumya, and you're the sweetest person, and your voice is like, has a calming effect on me. So whenever I'm vexed, I just like to call you and hear whatever you have to say, what's going on in your life, and I'll be never bored by that. I hope, and also you talk good things about me, which I really like to hear. I don't know what good you see in me, but I really admire you. Such beautiful girls you're raising, and I hope to be you someday. Take care. Bye.
हैप्पी बर्थडे मम्मा, हैप्पी बर्थडे. आज आपको बर्थडे, कुछ तो स्पेशल होना चाहिए ना. I mean, कितने दिन से मैं वेट कर रही थी कि आज आपको बर्थडे कब आएगा आपका. फाइनली ये आपको बर्थडे आ गया. विश यू many happy returns of the day, and you're the greatest and bestest mom ever in the world, and your birthday shines all the 365 days of the year. Love you, and आप बहुत अच्छी केयरिंग है, लविंग है, सब कुछ केयर करती हैं, एंड यू आर द वर्ल्ड्स बेस्ट मॉम. आप इतना केयरिंग है कि मतलब मैं कुछ बोल ही नहीं सकती. आई जस्ट लव यू मॉम. कीप शाइनिंग, एंजॉय योर डे, हैव फन. हैप्पी बर्थडे वंस अगेन. लव यू.
हैप्पी बर्थडे मॉम, आई लव यू सो मच. और आज आपका बर्थडे है, एंड यू आर द ग्रेटेस्ट मॉम आई हैव एवर सीन. और आप इतनी लविंग है, केयरिंग है, और जब भी मुझे और टिया को जरूरत पड़ती है आपकी, आप हमेशा हमारे साथ रहते हो, हमेशा हमारे स्टैंड लेते हो. थैंक यू सो मच. आई लव यू. एंजॉय डे, हैव फन.
जिंदगी तभी खूबसूरत होती है जब जिंदगी को खूबसूरत बनाने वाला साथ हो. और आज तुम्हारा बर्थडे सोना, तो तुम मेरी जिंदगी में हो, एक फ्रेंड हो, एक सब कुछ हो मेरे लिए, और तुमने मेरी जिंदगी खूबसूरत बनाया. 2 प्यारे बच्चे हैं, बहुत अच्छी लाइफ है, बहुत खुश हैं हम सब. और आज तुम्हारे जन्मदिन पे हम सभी यही विश करते हैं कि तुम खूब खुश रहो, हैप्पी रहो, स्वस्थ रहो, बहुत सुख सुविधाएं मिले, सब तुम्हारी मनोकामना पूरी हो, सब इच्छा पूरी हो. हैप्पी बर्थडे. लॉट्स ऑफ लव सौम्या.
हैप्पी बर्थडे डियर सौम्या. सुखी रहो, खुश रहो. आज तुम्हारा बर्थडे है, अच्छे से सेलिब्रेट करना. सौम्या सभी लोग का घर में बहुत ख्याल रखती है, बहुत केयर करती है. उसे बहुत अच्छी डिश बनाने और खिलाने के बहुत शौकीन है. भगवान उसकी सब मनोकामना पूर्ण करे और जीवन में खूब खुशियाँ मिले उसे, यही मैं ईश्वर से प्रार्थना करती हूँ. लव यू सुमी.
Hi Soumya, wish you a very happy birthday. You are one of the most pure and lovely soul. Lots of love, party hard. Wish you all the best.